SAT test 10, question number 29 on the calculator section. You're presented with the formula. It looks like a linear function. Right away, I see that. Look at that, y equals mx plus b, where y is h, m is 1.88, x is l, and b is 32.01. In these types of questions, I'm going to skip the explanation of what each variable means, and I'm going to go straight for the question. What is the meaning of 1.88 in this context? Well, 1.88 is m. This is the slope. This is the average rate of change. So when I'm translating slope into real life word situations, the words I'm going to be using is increase every year, each time period, per, right? These are the keywords that relate to slope and rate of change in linear function terms. So what does 1.88 mean? Obviously, it's not a, right? The approximate femur length in inches for men, that is not it. The approximate increase in men's femur length in inches for each increase of 32.01, I'm going to put, that's not exactly it. 32.01 is the starting length. The y-intercept is the starting amount, so it doesn't look like it, but for now I'm going to put a question mark. The approximate increase in men's femur length in inches for each 1 inch increase in his height. And that is exactly um, what I'm looking for. For each 1 inch increase in the height, though, is what is going to give me trouble here. A slope, it gives you the increase of the y output for each one unit increase in the x input. The x input is L. So 1.88 is going to give me the average increase in the length of the femur for each one unit increase of the length of the femur, not the height. So that's what eliminates C. And the approximate D is the best candidate here. We determined B cannot be it. The more I'm thinking about it, 32.01 is not the increase in his height, it's the initial height. So D is going to be my question, my answer. 1.88 increase for each 1 inch increase in the length of the femur in L. And it comes from knowing y equals mx plus b and the definition of slope.